Hey guys, Jake here. Thanks for watching Upland Wander with me today. We're back, we're out on some state land. We're going to do some more running. I got the boys with me today, Vinci and Gus. They're excited, they're pumped. We're going to get the collars on them. We're going to get them sprayed off here with Shoshin. And let them out of here. We're going to get running. So, cool. Cool. Stick with me. Here we go. Hold on, buddy. You drink all that water already? My goodness. Too far, too fast. Too far. Too far. Bench this way. Vinci, stay with me. Vinci. Stay with me, bud. Let Gus do his thing. What do you got, Gus? Where's the bird? Where's that bird, Gus? Hopefully they're down out of trees. It's early, it might not be yet. Vinci, too far. Back here, bud. Thank you. Vinci, whoa, whoa, whoa. Here, Gus, in here. Gus, in here. Where'd that bird go, Vinci? It's over here, it's over here. It's over here. Oh, Vinci's on something. Got away, guys. It's a grouse. We're chasing that back and forth, aren't we? Alright. Venture's you was on it, bud. Good boy. Tired? Yeah, chill it out. Relax it out, bud. That's my grouse, man. The grouse we were looking for, wasn't it? Your dad had 2 shots on the same one. He sucks. Not good with a 16. Let's catch up to Gus. What's in here, Vinci? What's in here? What's in here, Vinci? Ah, pickers. That's what. Ah, lots of them. Bad ones, huh? Here, Gus, what's in here? I know, we can't see anything, huh? Oh, God. Oh, she's thick. Oh god, so thick. Gonna shoot a bird out of this. Save my life. He's out. All right, here's a clearing, Gus. What's in here? That's a woodcock. Where you at, boy? Is that you, Vince? You put that up? Gus put that up. Well, they're popping them left and right in there. What you got? What you got? Two or three came up. I'm gonna stay with Vinci. He doesn't have much chill. Have you got another one in there? What's down here, Vince? What's this way, Vinci? Vince. Come on, this way, Vince. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Gus, what's here? Come here. We'll be right around there. Good. All right, come on, Gus. This way. This way. Come on, Vince. This way. You got it, Vinci? Get that bird. Where is it, Vince? No? Okay. Let's keep going in. I think a clean miss too. Didn't feel good. Haven't had a good shot yet with this gun. Cause that's poop. Yeah, we're gonna walk down a minute and then jump in. Perfect. Here, Vince. Scat there. All right, done. Jump for Dad. Here, I'll lead through the picker bush. You'll stay behind me. Almost through it. There you go. Picker bush clear. Hey, what's up? Hey, we're in here. Thanks for joining us. You gotta go do potty or something? Exhausted? Huh? Exhausted? Yeah? You guys need to take a break? Are you okay? Gus hasn't stopped, so... How are you doing, Ventures? You alright? I got some water. Your tongue ain't hanging too far, though. Usually she's a droopy one. What do you got, Gus? No, he's still moving. Oh, dang, that went fast. Holy cow, that bird flew fast. Oh. Dang. That woodcock wasn't playing around. He's up and gone. He's pretty adamant about something over here. You're gonna be on the other side of this fucking pine. Oh, there it goes. Ah. Whoop. Whoop. Flew out of the pine. What do you got? Sniff it up, Vince. Come on, Gus. Come on, leave it. Yep, should have trusted him. Hey. Yeah, okay. Here you are. You don't have to go over that. Okay. Come on. Stay. Come. Come here. Hey. Stop. Look, that. Water. Wow. Somebody else out here shooting. That's never good. Anything around these berries? Hmm? Is this the thing? I don't know. Little red berry. You don't have to tell me what it is. Maybe grouse eat it. Maybe I should shoot one. That would help. We could see what's in it. You pooping? Come on, Gus, this way. Oh my God. You guys are kidding me. There's one right there. Oh, Dad thought you were pooping? Stay. Let me see your tongue. Let me see. Thanks. Pretty big gash in it, huh? Stay. Stay. Pretty big gash in that tongue, huh? Let's let it heal for a minute. Vinci, come. Come on this way. Here. Come on. We're gonna go back to the truck. You cut your tongue, bud. Oh, yeah, you're going. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. 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 Hey, 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 here. What you got, Vince? What is it, Vinci boy? Huh? Gus looks like a little skinny hot dog. You got like a kielbasa. What do you got, Gus? What do you got, Gus? Oh, it went that way. I heard it. Gus, it went the wrong way. Let's see how your little face is doing. Here guys, I'll get you more. How's your tongue? I got a hole all the way through it? How bad your tongue cut? Oh. Let me see. Yeah, it's bleeding. Come on. Load up. Here you go, boy. Good boy. Thank you. Gotcha. Here. Load up. Come on, load up. You got too close? Here, back. There we go. Come on, put up. Thank you. Hey guys. Well, we're loading up. We're leaving a little early. Gus cut his tongue. It's a few little cuts. It's slowing down, but it was bleeding pretty good out there, so decided to head back to the truck a little early. I don't like to push it. There's no sense in that. Well, made it home safely. Short trip. Plans had to change. We just kind of rolled with the punches. Unfortunately, Gus cut his tongue a little bit. It bled a lot. Tongues bleed a lot. They're just blood and muscle. That's all they are, and they just bleed like crazy. So I erred on the side of caution, brought him in. After we got it cleaned out, after he drank some cold water, it stopped bleeding, coagulated and stuff. So he'll be just fine. We decided no more dragging it through the brush for the day. We'll let him heal up. I missed a bunch of shots. Nope, I missed a couple shots. And the birds are definitely more skittish now. It's a few days. We've had the weekend to go through. They learned. They're a lot more skittish. They're not waiting as much. But, yep, I missed some easy ones. It's not good. But we're home. Things were a little frustrating. Didn't go perfect today. They don't always go great. Birds landing all over me. Yeah, hunts don't always go great. Sometimes you just get skunked and the birds win. This was one of those times. But thanks a lot, guys. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe, comment. If you got any questions, some people have been. I've been answering questions, and I don't always say what I'm thinking or what I'm doing when I'm doing it. So yeah, ask some questions and I'll try and fill you in, you know, coming videos. That makes sense? But yeah, if you want to support me, subscribe button, it'll be showing up here, but that really helps in watching the videos. But it's cool to see. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.